While Russia struggles to keep up with drone surveillance, Ukraine's drones are watching Russian drones to follow them back. Seen with this Zala UAV returning from a mission, getting picked up by the launcher and operator vehicle, following it back to their position, sending back coordinates for a GMLRS strike. Hitting perfectly with pinpoint accuracy on the target, destroying both the drone and the vehicle by being patient, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.